Okay, so now from the student view, I'm going to click on my class that I'm looking at. And when they get in there, they have this view over on the side. If that's missing for the folders for any of the kids, they can click right here, this exit, and enter full screen. That's how you can view those folders. And then that assignment, I created it in Unit 7, and it was the triangle sorting activity. So I click on that, and notice this little paper clip. So they're going to click on the paper clip, and they're going to open up that collaboration activity. Now, it's automatically opening in Docs on my iPad, but it might not for them. So they need to open that up in their Docs. And once it opens, they're going to want to make a copy of that if that's how you want them to do it. So they click over here on these three dots, and they click on Share and Export and Make a Copy. And as soon as I have my kids do that, I have them do two things. I have them click back on the three dots, and I have them click Share and Export and Link Sharing, because they will have to have that link sharing turned on if they want me to be able to view it. And then I have them click up here and rename that assignment. So they click on the three dots, they click on the title, and then just rename. And I usually have them name it like their name and then whatever they were doing. So triangle sorting, and then save. And I usually put in my directions how I want them to name that, so they're all named pretty consistently. So then they would do whatever work they're supposed to do on that document, which I always include my rubrics on there so they can see how they're being graded. And then like here's the instructions for exactly what they're supposed to do. Once they're done, they go back over to Echo, which they'll probably have to re-log in. And in the same assignment window, so in their triangle sorting activity that they were in before, well, that's kind of hard to see, sorry. So in the same triangle sorting activity that they were in before, there we go, they're going to click Show Dropbox. And when they do that, they're going to choose Google Document or create Google Document if they haven't done that yet. So this is blocking pop-ups. I'm kind of glad it did that and do that on purpose, but the kids, if they get that message, they need to go into their settings. So they get out of that Echo, go into settings, and they're going to go down to Safari, and they're going to scroll down where it says block pop-ups, and they're going to turn that off. Echo doesn't work very good if the pop-ups are blocked, so turn that off. So go back to Echo, and I shouldn't have that issue again. So choose Google Document. It's going to ask if it can open a pop-up. Sure, go ahead. And then you're going to have to log into your Google. So they will have to log into their Google. And once they've logged in, it's going to open up their document window. Okay? And so mine, if I click on Documents, it should be the last document that I just opened. So Jennifer triangle sorting is what I'm looking for. Just like we had a search, they might have to do that as well. So click on triangle sorting activity and hit select. And then they hit submit. Now, for whatever reason, it will tell you that it's unable to submit, but usually it actually does submit. So hit OK, and then I maybe just have them hit it again, submit, hit OK, and then check on your end and make sure that it actually submitted, but usually it's okay. I don't know why it does that.